Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to be taking a look at this 360 mirror, and it's going to be perfect for anyone that cuts their hair at home. So we are going to get that matte black colorway all the way throughout, even on the back. And so essentially all this is three separate mirrors that allow you to see behind your head. You will get two separate options when it comes to this mirror, one with the LED light and then one without. I opted for the one with the LED light, and honestly I think it's way better. It will increase the price by a little bit, but I think it's well worth it. So here we have the first flap. Here, as you can see, we still have the film on. And then you have the second flap. And then you just angle both sides to be able to get the best view behind your head. Here, like I said, we do have the LED version. And so all you do is just press it, and we get two LED strips on both sides. Now what's super neat is that you can increase and decrease the brightness by just holding the power button. So if we hold it, it'll start decreasing, and then we can hold it again. Now here on the back you will get two different mounting options. So you will get these hooks, and so essentially how they work, you're just going to hammer them into the wall, and then you'll be able to hook them onto this location. If you decide not to use these, you have this back part which can pull out. You're then going to pull these levers out, and then you can hang it onto a door. This is probably going to be the easiest way to hang it, but it's nice that you have options to choose from. And so overall, if you cut your own hair at home, this is really a no-brainer.